Hi, my name is Rabih Bou Rashid and I'm the founder and CEO of Falcon Eye Drones. People's Choice Award is a category reserved for the public to nominate an organization that had a positive impact on the drone industry. Since its inception in 2018, they have been tirelessly working with the rescue operation teams in disaster-affected areas such as Bhagalpur, Bihar, Assam, Amphan, and more, saving thousands of lives. I'm now going to announce the winner of the Startup Award in the People's Choice Group. The winner is IG Drones. Congratulations.
Namaste. Hello everyone, my name is Bodhisattva. I am the co-founder and CEO of IG Drones. We would like to thank Airwards for the People's Choice Award. Our team at IG Drones has been actively participating with various government agencies and UN-allied NGOs to fight against humanitarian crises related to natural disasters such as tropical cyclones and floods through our state-of-the-art drones and AI-driven software solutions. Thank you again on behalf of our entire team to Airwards for this recognition. Thank you.